Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So actually you could see everything by yourself. The trading plan that we have prepared in the weekly report mostly is working. So we said this market shows significant downside action. It has chances to proceed lower, but first market has to fade existing momentum. So here we have more or less significant upward momentum. We even talked about this in the kind of the bread and butter trade, although this is not purely conditions of the Napoli pattern. It's mostly like momentum trades. It's just based on this solid momentum. Market has to show more or less significant retracement after first action in opposite direction. And that we said that before, and if you would like to take the short position, wait when the market will show the deep retracement at least to the 618 resistance on the intraday chart, where actually we could get the bounce, and then once this upward action will be over, we could return back to the idea of the downside entry and watch for possible bearish signs around the resistance. So actually the first part of this trading plan now is completed mostly, so we can see bounce up has happened. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see the bounce started right from the confidence support. I'm not sure that we could speak about some kind of the hand and shoulders here, but in general it doesn't change the overall idea that's approximately in the same area where the top of the left arm stand in around 109.50 area. We initially were intending to take the short position. So now let's see what we have on the hourly chart. Now market gradually is coming to 109.50 level. Action in general stands not very fast, and we have few extensions. So major pattern here is the blue lines, as we have the target around 109.53. So it means 109.48, 109.53 is a primary area to keep an eye on. In general, you could see that this CD leg is a bit slower than this one, which is actually a good sign, and potentially around this area we should get kind of the godless triple to sell pattern. If even we will be wrong in a suggestion that market should turn down right from here, some downside reaction has good chances to happen from this agreement resistance. So we have the OP target and fib level, so creates agreement resistance based on the idea of the triple to sell. It should be at least the 30% pullback, so it should be more enough opportunity for taking for moving stops to the break even if you intend to go short right here. Advanced approach for a position taken, which is of course preferable, but not everybody could apply it perfectly. So idea consists of dropping on the time frame more, somewhere to the 15-minute chart or even to the 5-minute chart, and watching here for clear bearish reversal patterns. When the pattern will be formed, you could take the position based particularly on this pattern, placing significantly tighter stop, because your stop will be based on the 5-minute chart pattern, which is actually drastically reduce your potential risk. So that's a preferable approach, but you should follow your own personal approaches to the trading and do as more comfortable, particularly to you. So, but in general, that's the level that we intend to keep an eye on. If we will be wrong and that market will show just the pullback and then re-established upward action, next area to watch for is 109.73, where we have actually the XOP of this initial ABCD pattern. So that's what we have currently on euro currency. If we will be right in our solution, then we should get some big ABC top, some D pattern is leading us down on the daily chart somewhere close to the 107.80 area that we 108 area that we discussed also in the weekly report, which is a 50% support on the daily chart and very close to the daily oversold area. So that's a few moments to keep an eye on today.